Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to do a little bit of chat and make a few earrings for the craft show tomorrow. I have been really busy lately with sick kids and me being sick and everything. You know, it's that time of year where everything is just sickness everywhere. But I'm feeling better today. I've done a few projects, but not much in the form of clay making. I haven't made much out of clay. I've made more out of crochet and things of that nature, and I've painted a lot. I've made a lot of paintings. But today I decided, you know, it's time to get dipped back in the clay, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I did make this. I think he's really cute. I want to take this handle off because I think it's just cute bathtub. A pig in a bathtub is so cute. I did make that. And yes, those bubbles took forever. But today I need to make a few earrings because I know tomorrow I will sell them. Because I made them last week and I sold them immediately. So I'm going to try and make them today. And I figured I would bring you guys along with me. They do not take long to make. I just have to get the size right. And I'm gauging here of what size I need. I have a lot of black clay from last week where I was making them. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I'm gonna make some earrings. I do have a pair that I made that my son wanted the necklace to, because I made a necklace for it too. And I've noticed with things of this nature, earrings will sell faster than than the necklaces. People would rather have the earrings than the necklace, which is fine with me. It's all personal preference, you know. So I'm going to make these a little smaller. There we go. I think that is now perfect. I think that's a good size. And it looks like this one may be a little smaller in comparison, maybe by a little bit. I don't want to take too much away because this clay, being the Primo, is really hard to add back to it. So I'm trying not to take too much away. But this one seems smaller, so I'm just going to take a little bit off. Sorry. Again, you should know by now, if the video cuts out, it's because I had to cough or something. I'm still getting over the pneumonia. But, yeah. Okay, check the size. It looks good. Looks good, looks good. Now I'm just going to pinch the end right here and push it down. Kind of bring my fingers up to give it like a point at the top. And this clay has been really conditioned, so it's a little soft. But you give it some time, it'll firm back up. And you can see I'm making it sharp point and then pinching the top. I'm going to push it in a little bit. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'll pinch the top, bring it out to a point, and then squeeze the top together. But I want a point on it like that. There you go. You see that? I want it to point and pinch the top and then press it back. And it takes some finesse, but you can get it done. No big deal. Now, last time I did use a baller tool, and I didn't like the results, so I'm going to try and use the end of a paintbrush. I think this is... No, that was not big enough. Maybe the end of this. Yeah, we'll try this. Okay, so we're just going to push in, and then try and get it about the same on the other side. Now the problem I had with this last time is they want to share the same space, if that makes sense. So you try to give them at an angle their own space. Okay, and now you can just shape it around like so. These look more evil than my last ones. But it's Halloween, so it doesn't really matter. These just look more rars. Okay, so I want to pinch the top of this one. We're going to set it down on this where it's flat. And you don't want to do this, and just letting you guys know, you do not want to do this with Sculpey clay because Sculpey will break on the tip like this. It has to be Primo clay or else it's going to get destroyed. Just letting you guys know. Okay, now we're going to do the eyes again. We're going to go in, push up the head a little bit, and right where your fingers were, just go in and go in. Now it looks a little funny at first, but all you have to do is just shape the head to look right. There we go. And then we're going to go back in with our little end tip to our sculpting tool. We're just going to bring it around. Do it again. Trying to get it to match the other one. No two are the same, which I guess it applies in real life too. When you're dealing with skulls, no two are the same. That's how you identify people. Their differences in their shape and makeup and everything. But we want to get it close. And this one's being more difficult than the other one. Okay, so we're going to pinch the tip, get that nice sharp edge, and then push back a little. And there we go. Alright, I know it's hard to see, so let's zoom in. I'm going to move the camera. So you see how they're just slightly different. Okay. Look good? Looks good. So there is my raven head earrings. Raven skull. There we go. Raven skull earrings. Done. But there you go, guys. I'm just going to bake these the way they are. Maybe shine them up a little bit with some rubbing alcohol. Which, by that, I mean just take some alcohol. Put it on a Q-tip. I'm pretty sure if you've seen my videos before, you just go over it and shine them up a little bit. It also gets rid of your fingerprints and stuff. You can even go in the little eye sockets. But it makes it look really, really nice. And just get rid of your fingerprints. Clean up the clay. When you're shaping and sculpting your skulls, don't forget to put in the nostril. And that's just done with one of these tools, and you just press in the clay like that. It's really easy. Just a little tiny nostril. And you're ready to go. It's that easy. But I'm going to make a few more of these for my show this weekend, but I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you make some for yourself. It being Halloween, what a perfect time to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like or a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.